Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this absolutely stunning 2015 Audi S5. If you're looking for a performance coupe with all-wheel drive, the S5 is an excellent choice. This particular one has 38,257 miles at the time of making this video. Actually a little bit lower than average mileage for a 15. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. Very nicely equipped with features. In fact, we have a copy of the original sticker. I can provide you with a copy. You just contact us and we can send it over, or you can get a copy if you stop in. Originally, this one had a $62,395 original MSRP. And just to highlight some of the important features, the monsoon gray metallic paint was a $550 option. $2,900 technology package, which gives you a CD/DVD player with HD radio, Audi navigation plus with voice control, parking system with rear view camera, Audi Connect online services, Audi side assist, as the black Optic package, which was a $13 option, giving you these gorgeous 19-inch 5-arm rotor design wheels with a titanium finish, high gloss black package, exterior mirror housings in body color. Quattro with sports differential was a $1,100 option. Bang Olufsen sound system, $850 option. Carbon Atlas inlays, $500 option. Cargo net, supercharged badges, grocery hooks, all cool stuff. And on top of that, it has a few nice extras, which I'll get to in a little bit. I love this nice flat bottom leather wrap wheels, nice contours, feels wonderful in your hands. Love the contrast stitching. As we mentioned before, navigation, beautiful carbon fiber trim, and it doesn't look like it's fake. It looks like it's a real weave to me. It could be synthetic material, but it's pretty convincing looking. Keyless ignition with push button start. Fantastic DSG transmission, heated front seats, nice beautiful leather trim seats with suede cloth in the middle. You have those carbon inlays on the doors, automatic dimming mirror, rather large moonroof. Well, you could almost say it's panoramic, and then you have a sunshade to dim things down if it gets too bright. Steering wheel paddle shifters, blind spot warning. The S5/A5 is an absolutely beautiful coupe. I think it's probably one of the better looking coupes on the road. Look at that nice front fascia, that big Audi grille, following that same design theme we see in a lot of other Audi products. That 3-liter supercharged engine's excellent. I know they had a 5.2-liter V8 in the earlier S5s, which is a cool engine, but the Supercharged V6 actually makes more torque than the more low-end torque than the V8 does, and it's much more fuel efficient. So it's a much better engine, I think, for the S5 than the V8, as cool as that V8 sounded. Has a lowering kit, very nicely done. Performance exhaust system. Looks like it says AWE tuning. And in fact, I'm going to put the camera down, rev the engine a little bit, just so you can see, or not see, but hear how wonderful that exhaust sounds. I'm going to put the mic right next to the exhaust and I'll rev it up a little bit for you. All right, that sounded pretty good to me. Hopefully it sounded good on your end. Not quite so loud to be obnoxious, but definitely enhances the sound of that awesome supercharged V6. If you happen to be an out-of-state customer, we have experience selling cars and trucks all over the country. We can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US and help arrange the licensing of your vehicle as well. Contact us for more details. It also comes with a 5-day 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.